So, boys, have you ever had to deal with boys' hair? This is the video I'm going to share with you guys today. If you have ever had this experience, write to me under the comment section. Hey beauties, welcome back. I miss you all, guys. I hope you are all doing well. So as you could realize in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I deal with my boys' hair. Guys, it is not even up to 1 week when I wash this hair and put it into a protective style. So normally I used to put it into like 5 cornrows because he's a boy. Um, yeah, but after I've washed the hair, he couldn't support the pain. I don't know why. So I had to put it into some 3 cornrows into a protective style, right? And now that it looks too old, what I'm going to do is to ombre them one after the other. So I ombre one, braid it back, and continue with the other, because if I ombre all of them, he'll feel more pain, right? So I'm going to divide the middle one into 2 because that's the bigger one, and just renew the side because I don't want to keep long on his hair. Otherwise, as you could see, the face has changed and he will have no more patience. So I'm going to do that quickly, but before that, I will be unbraiding, detangling with the product you guys always, if you have been following me for a while, every time I do their hair, guys, I present this product. There are other videos that I gave more details. If you are new in this channel, you can just go through those videos. I will put them under the comment section so that you see the details I gave with this product and how it works for their hair type. And yeah, so I'll be detangling his the part I will be unbraiding before combing it. So I will be detangling it with the product first and then detangling it with the brush. And yeah, so I will let you continue watching the video and let's see us later. So if you wonder why I'm watching the camera, is first of all to control his mood, because this is where I see whether he's feeling pain or not. And because I wasn't seeing the front too, and so the camera was like my second mirror to me, because his position was a little bit up from mine, and I had to use the camera as a mirror for the front and also to control the mood. Yeah. So now that I have finished doing like 3 cornrows, we are going to braid the last one. And this is where you are going to see how well the product works, right? So I would like you to continue watching, and for that I will say a big thanks to you if you have watched this video until here. Don't forget to like it. I love you all. Until we meet in my next one. Mwah!